This fabric is made from banana trees.
And it's one of the most sustainable textiles on Earth.
But the process behind it is something most people never see.
Let's go from farm waste to finished fabric. After harvesting bananas, the stems are usually discarded.
But inside these stems, there's strong natural fiber.
First, the stems are cut into manageable pieces.
Fibers are extracted with machines. Long, silky fibers are carefully separated. In modern setups, machines speed up the process. Next, fibers are washed to remove impurities.
They're dried naturally under the sun.
This gives banana fiber its natural golden shine.
Fibers are combed to align and smooth them. Then grouped into bundles for processing. Now comes spinning, turning fibers into yarn. Twisting increases strength and durability. Yarn is wound and prepared for weaving. Banana fabric is often woven using hand looms. Each thread is interlocked with precision.
Or produced faster using modern machines. The result is a strong, breathable fabric.
It can be softened for comfort.
And dyed using eco-friendly colors. Then dried and finished. Each piece is checked for quality.
Now it's ready for product creation, turned into clothing, bags, and more.
This isn't just a suit, it's a statement. The banana fiber gives it this incredible texture, yet it feels lighter than cotton.
Unlike synthetic fabrics, it doesn't harm the planet. It also creates extra income for farmers. This is fashion with a purpose.
The distinct texture of the banana fibers is evident here. It's incredibly durable, yet surprisingly soft.
Designers are now embracing this material.
And it's gaining attention worldwide. This could be the future of sustainable textiles. From waste to wearable innovation.
If you love seeing how things are made, subscribe for more.